Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the marketing management. Marketing is a social and managerial process by which individual and group obtain what they need and want through creating, offering, and exchanging products of value with others. Now discuss about the core concept of marketing. What is the concept of marketing? First, in concept of marketing is the understanding needs and wants of customer. That is, we have to first understand the needs or the what is the expectation of the customer. Then there is a translating needs and wants into the product or service. That need or the wants of the customer, we have to convert it into the product or service. And next one is the product must fulfill desire. That product, whatever the product manufacturer is, fulfill the desire of the customer. Then finally the exchange should take place, that the customer should purchase that particular product is final importance in the marketing concept. That is, the exchange should take place. These are the 4 steps in the concept of marketing. Then if you see the marketing concept, that is, in marketing concept again there is first one is the target market. That is, we have to decide which type of market we are going to target. Target market means the area of the customers or the specialized customers we have to first target depending on their economical background or their social background or their habitual background. We have to first finalize the target the market. Then next one is their customer needs. Then we have to understand the customer needs in the marketing concept. That is, what are the requirement of the customers, we have to understand. Then next one is their coordinated marketing. Means, as the needs of the customer if you understand, then we have to convert that needs into the product, and this is done with the coordinated marketing with the all other departments. Not only marketing department is involved here, all other departments of the organization are involved here, which converts the needs of the customer into the product. Then finally, by selling that particular product, profitability through the customer satisfaction is again important. That is nothing but the marketing concept. Then apart from marketing concept, there is another concept is the selling concept. Then we are going to discuss the difference between the selling concept and the marketing concept. In the selling concept, the consumers, if left alone, will not buy enough of the organization's products. The organization must therefore undertake an aggressive selling and promotion efforts. The selling concept means that in selling concept, the organization is aggressively sell their product without understanding the needs and wants of the customers. That is the selling concept. Then if we discuss about the difference between selling concept and the marketing concept, then that is, in selling concept main focus is product. In marketing and in marketing concept main focus is customer needs and wants. That is, in marketing concept customer needs and wants are considered, but here in selling concept is not considered. That is, only product is focus. Emphasis on seller needs. Second difference is there in selling concept, emphasizes on seller needs. That is, the seller is going to decide his product, or they are going to fulfill their needs instead of considering the needs of the customers. Here in case of marketing concept, emphasizes on customer needs and wants. Here focus is on customer needs and wants in case of the marketing concept. Then here in selling concept, company make product first and then try to sell it. And in case of the marketing concept, company first understand requirements of customer and offer a product which will satisfy customer requirements. That is the difference. Then in case of selling concept, overemphasizes the exchange aspect without care of value satisfaction of customer. And here in marketing concept mainly concerns to value satisfaction of customer. that is value satisfaction of customer is important in case of the marketing concept compared to the selling concept. Then in case of the seller concept, seller determine what product to be offered, and here in case of buyer determine the what product to be offered. That is in case of selling concept, seller is going to finalize the product, but in case of the marketing concept, according to needs and wants of the customer, the buyer is going to determine what product to be offered. Here in selling concept, goods are already produced and then sold at profit. Here in case of marketing concept, customer demand determine production supply is adjusted to the product. Here in case of selling concept, emphasizes on somehow selling, but here in case of marketing concept, emphasizes on integrated marketing, that is strategy covering 4 P's. Here in case of selling concept, selling aims at short-term objective. Here in case of marketing, aims at long-term objective. View. Here in case of selling concept, views customer as last link in business. Here in case of marketing concept, views customer at highest priority. And here in case of selling concept, top priority is to sales volume, then profit increasing sales. And here in case of marketing concept, top priority is to profit maximization through customer satisfaction. This is the difference between selling concept and the marketing concept.